under 10 minutes hairstyle, okay? Under 10 minutes, and you guys saw my
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Hi guys, this is Miss Remy here, and welcome back to my channel. And if it's your first time here, welcome, and thank you so much to my current subscribers, and welcome the new subscribers. I really appreciate every one of you for supporting me, for coming back and watch my videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. It is free. It's for free. For this little DIY here. So if you like to see how I from this to that, so continue to watch. Hi guys, so I have this little DIY for you guys today. I'm gonna do my, this is a stocking. See, there's nothing, just like a knit stocking. I'm just gonna do this. I'm not done with my hair. I'm just gonna fold my hand anything when I'm done, so I'm just gonna attach the hair to it. So guys, as you can see, I have removed the piece of my head. I'm about to put the stocking so I can protect my hair underneath that. At this point, you can fluff your hair, shape it to your face shape, how you want it to look. You can even add more hair, make it as big as you want, or you can even use a different hair texture. Okay, so it's up to you. Here I will be trying out two different hair type, two different hair color, because I did the front piece to be able to tie my hair. It's not for and you can just do, I don't know how you can wear this without tying the back of your head, but yes, I used the green one and the red one. Red or green. Then I would like to change the lipstick, but nah, a little bit brown. Just let me know in the comment section below your thoughts. What did you think? What do you think about this little hairstyle? The headband, the head wrap, red or green? Which one is your favorite color? Okay, that's it. This is guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. I would really appreciate that. Don't forget to have a joyful, a peaceful, a wonderful, and a blessed day. Wait, I don't know what my next video will going to be about, but it'll probably be about the Shein haul or summer haul, winter, spring haul that I have, or something. But so bye, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching again. And guys, Have you guys watched the video, the giveaway? So go watch that video, and so you can know what to do, so you can get a hair growth oil, and it will be the last day of this